Namaste and welcome to New India. I'm Nivedita Tiwari. We are speaking about the Union Budget 2021 with Hasmukh Rawal, who is the founder and the managing director of MyLab Discovery Solutions, and Sujit Jain, who is the director and the advisor of MyLab. You must be aware that MyLab is the company which made the first made in India antigen and RT-PCR testing kit for COVID-19 vaccine. Sujit and Hasmukh, namaste. Okay, so you must have had a look at the budget. There's special focus on vaccination in this budget. In fact, India has become the fastest country in the world to cross the 4 million COVID-19 vaccination mark. There's also allocation for setting up new diagnostic centers. When it comes to providing indigenous testing solutions, it contributes to the Atmanirbharta, which is the driving force for the new India that we talk about. As industry insiders providing those solutions, what do you have to say?
So, of course, there is a long-awaited, well-deserved position in terms of attention for the healthcare sector, which we have seen in this budget, and we welcome this open-heartedly. We feel that with the attention what is given to the vaccination as well as developing labs, building infrastructure for the companies, for the country, we are going to set up the roadmap for next generations to come. And what we can see is a healthier and wealthier India with right health for the people, with the right companies will help support it grow.
Yeah, so I would just like to add, India was lacking in terms of molecular diagnostics. We were way behind, and it is unfortunately, but fortunately, something like COVID has brought out molecular testing to the forefront of this country. Companies like MyLab, one of the very few who are pioneer Indian companies who've been working on molecular diagnostics for last 7 to 8 years, investing in research, doing hard work, and finally they've got this platform because molecular diagnostics, it's the gold standard for detection. And we've been taught prevention is better than cure, but you would prevent only when you would use the right gold standard. So in that sense, yes, it's a great move, and it is going to work for India because it will save a lot of healthcare costs. Yeah. It's an investment. People say it's spend. I'm saying it's an investment.
When we look at the overall outlay for the health sector, there's a significant increase from the previous year. What does it mean for the health industry infrastructure?
So what we can see is the investment rights not only in the companies who make the kits, but the companies who are making raw material for companies like us. So what India is looking into is investment at primary, secondary, and tertiary level of raw material manufacturers as well, and that is going to cut down the costs here. What we also see is the investment in terms of capacity building. What we are going to see is district level labs, which are never even thought, at least when we have been working for last 10-15 years. And we see this development happening so fast. We feel that we are at least 10 years ahead in terms of established healthcare systems because of COVID, and we are setting up the plan for primary, secondary, and tertiary levels of lab, and that is going to give us affordable healthcare just at your doorstep. This was not unimaginable few years back as well.
So basically, the spend has increased considerably, and because of this last mile access that is being created, so I would call it forward and backward integration. One is India hardly had couple of 100 RT-PCR machines, not even labs, when COVID came, commercially operating machines. I'm not talking about the research machines. We had only couple of 100, and now we've got thousands. And with this step, you would have every circle, every district will have a molecular lab. And in terms of backward integration, because of the incentives given to manufacturing and R&D and startups, you will have a lot of raw materials and products being developed by Indian companies. So we had a scenario where tests were being done by Indian companies like Metropolis, Thyrocare, and we were there. But the kits were being still supplied by international players. This will change that. Okay, and of course, the cost will go down considerably.
That's great news.
That's the biggest news for people.
Right. People were also wary of getting tested earlier. They were because of the cost of the treatment that was involved. But Ayushman Bharat changed that. People are more aware now. They are more proactive about their health. Do you think this access has led to the behavioral change and transformation in people?
So I would like to start with saying we always have heard about Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan.
Yeah.
This would be Jai Pharma, Jai Medicine,
Yeah.
and that was much needed. And Ayushman Bharat, this initiative by our dear Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, is going to change the way healthcare is going to be looked at in India within, and the way world is going to look at India. We are creating the largest ever government funded healthcare in support system via this Ayushman Bharat insurance. The last mile, 10 to 15 crore houses are getting insurance, and mind you, not just government, they can go to private hospitals and get the best healthcare treatment. A healthy population creates the maximum wealth for a nation. A sick population is a liability, a healthy population is an asset. So I think it's an unimaginable and amazing step that Shri Narendra Modi ji has taken, and it's going to change the dynamics of our population in terms of health and even education.
Yeah, and it's a great investment in the human capital that we have.
So what I feel is one more thing what Ayushman Bharat has done is not only bringing the affordable healthcare, but they could make this affordable in terms of operations because of the scale they operate. We have this huge population. If we work at a scale, always the price can work out. What I have seen is a test which cost tens of thousands of rupees and now is coming below 1,000 rupees just because at a scale which government is going to operate with. So that we see is a tremendous development in terms of setting up the infrastructure and the costing, but at the same time I see the awareness in terms of people. It's not only having the scheme there, but it has to reach people. People should know, and that's where not only government but even the media personalities have done a great job. They have made the science of the testing very simple. Test like RT-PCR, which is so much complex to be understood. I will appreciate all of the team which are working tirelessly to make sure that it is made very simple. The common man can understand the difference between what antibody test, antigen test, a high and RT-PCR test is, and they can go and ask this specific test to the labs they go in. So I think the awareness at multiple level is helping to develop the right infrastructure for the country.
Sujit and Hasmukh, thank you for your time and for the incredible work that My Lab is doing. Keep watching New India Junction. Namaste.